Big breaking news coming in. India Today scooped up details of how the letter by some of the Congress leaders was sent to Sonia Gandhi. There were a series of meetings that happened in the past 3 to 4 months between the signatories. Since the past month, a group of 10 to 12 leaders under the leadership of Ghulam Nabi Azad sought a meeting with Sonia Gandhi. The group decided to send this letter, and the letter was sent on 7th of August. The group is now going to be waiting. They think Ahmed Patel and others are buying time to elect someone by consensus. However, they are determined to push elections if a leader, if Rahul is not ready to accept the post of the president. That's the latest coming in right there. Sahil is getting us all the latest on this. Sahil, what's the scoop you're picking up on all these dissenters and you know, this whole inside track and this entire circus that transpired, after which Sonia Gandhi still continues to be the president? What's going on with the Congress party?
Well, Chaiti, what we can now confirm that this has not happened over the night. The dissenters have been meeting since last 3-4 months in a group of 3 to 4 people at the same time, and all of them were discussing about dragging the leadership issue. There is no permanent president for the Congress party. That Sonia Gandhi has been handling it as an interim president, charge as an interim president, and which is not helping for the party. She's not always available because she's an interim president. She's not taking all the decisions at as quickly as possible. So these group of leaders have been meeting with each other since last 3-4 months. After that, in last month, the group of 10 to 12 leaders who are also the signatories under the leadership of Ghulam Nabi Azad asked for the time from Sonia Gandhi. But there is a possibility, because Sonia Gandhi had visited hospital a couple of times in last month, maybe because of that or for some other reason, this group was never granted time to meet Sonia Gandhi. Ghulam Nabi Azad, despite being a leader of party in Rajya Sabha, was not granted time to meet Sonia Gandhi along with these leaders. They wanted to discuss, the contents which they have been discussing since last 3-4 months. Finally, then the leaders decided to write this letter. The letter was not the original idea. The original idea was to meet the interim president, put forward, what they are feeling about the party, their issues with the leadership, and what exactly should be done now to take on the challenge of the BJP and Narendra Modi. But rather than that, the leadership opted not to meet these leaders, and then finally they sent this letter on 7th of August. Now, interesting part is that yesterday everyone has been saying that the appointment of Sonia Gandhi now is extended by 6 months, but the resolution does not mention specific time of extension. So what the leaders now feel is that the Congress wants to buy time. The leadership of Congress wants to now buy time to elect someone in consensus, because Rahul Gandhi, it seems that is not ready to take on the position as the president of the party. Until then, the group wants to wait.
And it's very exhausting,
they are very
because
determined
we
now.
never know when he's ready, when he's not ready, and a complete change of guard of the high command is perhaps the solution. And this is the inside track of what prompted the dissenters to write that letter to Sonia Gandhi. Hectic parleys were going on as well. We'll continue getting all these details in just about a bit.